First year BE BTech, subject code 19MA202, subject name Calculus and Laplace Transform. Unit number 5, Laplace Transform. This is the end of this unit for this semester. So first we can discuss about the outline of the Laplace Transform. Number 1, definitions of the Laplace Transform. Number 2, existency of Laplace Transform. Number 3, periodic functions. So here is these are 2 more questions. Define the Laplace Transform. Then this is also another 2 more questions. Existency of Laplace Transform. Then periodic functions. This one is occurs your 8 more questions. This one is a very important topic. So first we can discuss about what is Laplace Transform. Let f of t be a function of the variable t which defined for all positive value of t. That means t is always greater than or equal to 0. That is the only positive value we can take. There is no negative value for t. Then L of f of t equal to interval 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t into dt. These are definitions for the Laplace transform. So this is exponential order f of t be the functions with the derivative dt. Limits varies from 0 to infinity. And this can be denoted by L of f of t equal to f of s. Next, another 2 more questions. Existency of Laplace transform. This means when this Laplace transform should be exists for the following conditions. So the question is, write the sufficient conditions for the existency of the Laplace transform. So the solution is, the sufficient conditions are: number 1, f of should be continuous or piecewise continuous in the given closed interval a comma b. Number 2, f of t should be exponential order, that is e power minus st form. These two are must be satisfied, means the given Laplace transform must be existence. So next one is periodic functions. A function f of t is said to be periodic with the period capital T if for all small t. F of t plus capital T equal to f of t, where t is a positive constant, the least value of t is always greater than 0, is called the periodic functions. So we have the formula for finding the periodic functions. So L of f of t equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e power minus ts, the integral 0 to t e power minus st f of t into dt. So this t is nothing but the given periodic functions t. So we are able to identify the limits based on capital T. So in your given problem, they will be given what is t here. So replace this t from given functions here and the upper limit capital T. So these are only important formulas for finding the periodic functions. So we shall pass on through the problem number 1. It's a very important 8 more questions. Find the Laplace transform of the functions f of t equal to 1, interval is 0 to a by 2, next one is minus 1, a by 2 to a. That means the periodic function starting from 0 to a, that is 0 to capital T. Here is t is nothing but the a values. Okay. So the solution is, the Laplace transform of f of t is given by, is a formula already told in the previous slide. So let f of t equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e power st 0 to a, the e power minus st f of t dt. So here is t is nothing but a here, already to the ts. So this a is a capital T, 0 is a lower limit. So 0 to t means here is a is given. So next we can replace f of t in terms of 2 functions is given. One is 1, next one is minus 1. One is based on 0 to a by 2, next one is minus 1 is based on a by 2 to a. Therefore 1 divided by e power minus st interval 0 to a by 2 e power minus st f of t dt plus integral a by 2 to a e power minus st f of t into dt. So 0 to a can be split as 0 to a by 2, then a by 2 to a. So we get this method. So next you can replace f of t based on the given functions. This f of t must be 1, then another f of t must be minus 1. So replace here. Then 1 divided by e power minus st, then 0 to a by 2 e power minus st dt, then minus a by 2 to a e power minus st into dt. So what is integration of e power at? So e power at divided by a. So using that method, so integration of e power minus st is e power minus st divided by minus s, interval is 0 to a by 2, minus e power minus st can be written as e power minus st divided by minus s, interval is a by 2 to a. So next you can apply the upper limit. So replace t equal to a by t. Don't replace s here. It's an important one. So t is a function. So here to replace a by 2. So e power minus s a by 2, then minus e power 0 divided by minus s. Similarly, we can replace a here. A, then lower limit is minus e power minus s a divided by 2 whole divided by minus s. So again we can simplify this one. We get 2 times of e power minus sa by 2 minus 1 minus e power minus sa by minus s. So here is we can take this as outside here. So here is we have write the one formulas. So a plus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square method. But here is one minus is present, so I can take minus outside, minus again s outside means we get plus, so 1 by s. So next we can simplify. This one is based on the some related formulas, tan h of x by a. So tan h of x by a can be written as tan hx equal e power x minus e power minus x divided by e power x plus e power minus x. That is a formula. So this one is given in the problem here. Okay. So therefore we can simplify this one. We get tan 1 by s into tan h of as by 4. So this one is how we get means. So as by 2, that is x by 2 means here is we have sa by 2. Yes, we can multiply 1 by 2 here. We get this answers. So these are the simplifications. We have to remember how we will get this answer based on the simplifications methods. So next problem number 2. Find the Laplace transform of square wave given by the functions f of t, interval is t, next one is 2 pi minus t, one is 0 to pi, next one is pi to 2 pi. This is like a relevant some other difficult problems. And last problem is 1 minus 1, but here is both functions must be present. First write down the formula for Laplace transform based on the periodic functions. So replace capital T. What is capital T here? 0 to 2 pi. This 2 pi is nothing but capital T. So replace T in terms of 2 pi. Here is T in terms of 2 pi. So next we can split this integrations 0 to pi, then pi to 2 pi here. So we get this value. Then this one is t power minus st. This is a Bernoulli's formula. So first we can fix t as it is. Then integration of e power minus st is e power minus st divided by minus s. Then minus, that is formula minus. Then differentiation of t must be 1. Again we have to integrate this one. We get this value. E power minus st divided by s square. Limit is 0 to pi. Same method you can use in the Bernoulli's formula. So I can write 2 pi minus t as it is. Integration of e power minus st is e power minus st divided by minus s. Then we have 1 minus, but already we have 1 minus is plus, so we get plus. Then differentiation of this value is minus 1 is present here, so we get plus 1. And again integration of this value is e power minus st divided by s square. Then replace t equal to pi is upper limit, then 0 is a lower limit. For this case t equal to 2 pi is upper limit, lower limit is pi. So after replacing the limits, upper and lower limits, we get finally these results. But here is everything must be s square, means we can take 1 by s square outside here. So taking the outside means we get, so 1 minus e power minus s pi plus e power minus 2s pi divided by s square. So next this one is already told, a minus b whole square formula. We can write 1 minus e power pi s whole square divided by s square into, so this one is 1 square minus a square form. So a plus b into a minus b. So cancelling one value here, we get the final result this one. So 1 by s square into, already told the formula for tan hx. So tan hx formula. So here is already we can multiply 1 by 2 here. We get the final value. So tan h into pi s divided by 2 here. This is the final answer. Then problem number 3. Find the Laplace transform of f of t. Sin t is a one function 0 to pi. Next one is 0 pi to 2 pi. So here is the formula is f of t plus 2 pi equal to f of t. Here is capital T is nothing but 2 pi here. Then write the formula for periodic functions. Then replace 0 to pi, then pi to 2 pi. But here is one function must be in 0, so this one is must be in vanishes. So we get the remaining values as it is. Then the previous thing by basic integrations. The here is we have introduced one integrations formula. 0 integration of e power minus at into sin bt dt formula is e power at divided by a square plus s square into a sin bt minus b cos bt formulas. So you can replace the formula here. So replace b value, a value, everything. Here is a is nothing but s, b is nothing but t here. So write down the value here, then write the limits here. Then put upper limit, lower limit, replace only s here, not in the t form. Okay. So sin 0 is sin pi is 0, sin n pi must be 0, so we can 0. So cos 0 must be 1, then minus 1. Then lower limit is sin 0 is 0, then cos 0 is minus 1. So after simplification this one we get the final value this form. So simplify this one by multiplying a plus b into a minus b formulas, replacing this value. So we get the final form like this method. This one is 1 divided by s square plus 1. Okay. So finally we can replace 1 divided by 1 minus e power minus s pi into 1 divided by s square plus 1. So periodic function is a very important chapters. So we have one compulsory problems based on this periodic functions. So why I can teaching this one is first means, so here is the formula must be we have only one formula. This formula is present in the periodic functions. There is no other formulas. So the next one is the basic integrations and Bernoulli's formula is present here. So that's why I am teaching the first thing is periodic functions. So next class we can go through the Laplace transform and its properties and the basic problems. Thank you.